Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into your Apple ID so changes apply everywhere. Open Settings on iPhone or go to Appleid. Apple. On a browser, then enter your Apple ID and password. Once signed in, confirm two-factor authentication is active and that you can receive codes on a trusted device or phone number. Make sure the device has an internet connection. This gets you to the account page where phone numbers are managed and ensures verification codes reach you instantly. Once on the account page, locate the phone numbers section and tap Edit to add a new number. Enter the new number exactly, choose SMS or call for the verification method, then wait for the code. When the code arrives, enter it immediately to verify the number. After verification, mark the number as trusted, and if needed, remove the old number. Make sure all devices update. Syncing can take a minute, so confirm the new number appears across your devices. Finish by verifying the new number appears on each device and in iCloud settings. Sign out and back in if needed to force refresh. If you don't receive the verification code, make sure the number is entered with the correct country code and the device has Signal or SMS capability. Try call option instead. If the account becomes locked or codes never arrive after retries, contact Apple support for account recovery. One helpful tip: temporarily disable any SMS filtering or third-party blockers that might intercept codes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.